Hello my beautiful angels, welcome back to Nails by LJOLUSESI. So in today's video I have a very special box. Now if you remember my opening of my birthday presents that I got from Jo, she got me some vouchers as well, and I didn't know what to buy. It was very hard. There was lots of things I wanted, but I was like, I want something special. So, as you can see, I ordered some things from Sarah Burchett. I obviously follow, it's not obvious, but I follow her on YouTube, also on her Instagram, and I've seen quite a few people ordering some things from her off her website. So I did the same. So I've opened it already. Don't understand how exciting this is. Oh, oh wow, I was just about to show you my address then. I placed, I'm trying to cover my phone number as well. So I placed 2 orders. There is not prices on here, so I mean that's okay. There's so much shit on this desk. Right, so we have a thank you for your order, don't forget to tag blah blah, visit Udemy.com. Okay, this is so exciting for me. Right, the most important thing, I got some sweets. I don't eat jelly sweets because they contain gelatin. But I'll give this to someone. And then I got some fruitellas. Yeah, fruitellas. So love me a sweetie. Right, shall I show you? Let's go with these first. Let me move this box. So I ordered some tips. Now she's got like these XXL, I think they're square. I'm not quite sure, but she had 2 lots, and ones you can get in bags and you pay an extra, I think like £2 for the box. So I got them in a box. So these are the Pro Stiletto. Now I have hundreds of tips, but I wanted some special ones for my birthday. So let me get one out there. Very long. Love them a lot. And I usually either go with stiletto or coffin. So these are perfect because you can just snip the end off and then you've got your coffin. These are so long. Look at them. Did I get it from here? Yeah. Do they have numbers on? Yes. Yes, they do. Oh, that's good. So we got, that's 3. How is that a 3 when it's so big? Okay, the smallest one Yeah, the smallest one is a 9. Oh my god, that is tiny. And then the biggest is a 0. That is huge. I love them. I like that it comes in a box. So that is my first purchase. And they weren't even that much. I think they're like £12. Yeah, I think they're about 12 quid. And then if you just get them in bags, they're nine, almost £10. So I thought I would get them in the box. So I got, let's get a tray. God, I'm so organised. I got Love Bug. I love this packaging, so holographic. And then this card, she's put in, it's the Alina. Anyway, let's turn these over. Do you have, yes we do. Shall I bring it down a bit? These are bloody gorgeous. They're called Love Bug, but this top bit looks like an angel's head, and then the wings poking out the top of the heart. Do they, or is it just me? Look how bloody sparkly they are. They are so, so pretty. I love these so much. Okay, they're not flat back. Oh, they're bloody gorgeous. Well, they're not pointed, but they've got like, oh, this is so hard to show you. See? Look how bloody beautiful they are. I love them so much, but they're bloody gorgeous. I absolutely love those. Then I got some Crystal Princess. I want to say these ones were about 3 quid. These ones are so, so pretty. Let's turn them over. Wow. Love them. The sparkle on these are just, look. They're more sparkly in person. Honestly, my camera is not doing them any justice at all. Okay, these ones have like a bit of a curve on them, which is great because it will sit on the nail a bit more easily. Come on. You could have it that way, or you could have it. It's a bit fiddly. Yeah, like that. I really, really love those. Very beautiful. Then I got some butterflies. Now they did do them as 2, 4, 6. Yeah, 6 in a pack. You could either get pink, AB, or lilac. I'm a bit shit at choosing. Can't open it. There we go. Not very good at picking, so I could see that I had like a mixed. Oh my goodness, these are beautiful. Yeah, so I ended up getting a mixed one. So I got 2 lilac, 2 AB, and 2 pink. Oh my god, look at those. So you've got the crystals. I'll show you this one. So you've got the crystals either side, and then you've got these tiny little crystals oops, going up the body. And then it has like a gold metal. That's beautiful. That pink one is absolutely gorgeous. Hold it like that. Beautiful. And then this one is the AB one. Look at that. And then the lilac one. So pretty. I really love them ones. I chose good. Okay, come out a little bit. Right, and then I got some mixed ones. Now, I'd been eyeing these ones up for a while. So these are spring opal. I've got some opal ones on my ring finger that I got from, I think it's Scattered Crystals. But these are the Preciosa, I think. Love them. And I have a few opal ones, but not enough. So I got this mix. I can't open this blasted bag. Just take a few out. Have we got a little pokey? Yep. Oh, I'm gonna need this. So you get green, blue, pink, and yellow opal, and then these AB. Oh my god, these AB shapes. Which are gorgeous. Look at those. They're just so pretty. And very sparkly. Look at the butterfly. How bloody adorable. I love them. I don't know where the hell I'm going to put them. I need to buy a... I need to buy like a, what do you call it? Like a, oh my god, my mind today, I can't think of anything. Then these ones, these are called Blush Bliss Mix. There's 690 crystals in there. And I know there will be 960 because I've seen on Sarah's channel where she was counting them. So everything is all done by her. She sits there and counts the bloody crystals. It's mental. Look at these. So there's 3 different sized. Oh my god. And then you've got all different shapes. There's hearts. Oh look, there's a flower. And then I think that's called a horse eye. And then I think that's a baguette. It's like a teardrop. These are absolutely stunning. Look how sparkly they are. Beautiful. Yeah, so this is the Blush Bliss. Blush Bliss. Gorgeous. And then lastly, I wanted these, so I put some money towards getting these also. So these are Pink Gin Shimmer. Again, these are absolutely beautiful. Oh my god. Look how many's in there. That's just crazy. So many. Look at these. I'm in love. They are absolutely beautiful. Right, we bring you back out. So these are all my crystals. I love them so much. They're so sparkly. So there is. If anybody wants some star mix, let me know. I'll send them to you. Right, that is it for today's video. I just want to say to Joe, thank you so much for these beautiful crystals. I'm sorry about the headache, you know what I mean, but yes, they are all so beautiful. Right, I am off. Thank you all so much for watching. Please continue to take great care of yourselves. I love you all so much, and you will see me in my next video. Bye for now.